going.
What? So what do we want to do now? Are we staying?
Well, what's left?
Is Abbott and Costello meet Frankenstein, Island of Lost Souls, and Zombies on Broadway? Zombies on Broadway is a pretty interesting one. That's
What time is it? I don't know. What time is it?
I got the. What time is it now?
I don't know. I am timeless.
This is the first time I feel like I wish that Monster Bash would go on for another 2 weeks. What time is it?
11:40.
Oh, so Son of Ghoul is doing his show now? I think I might want to go look at that. Hello, how you doing? What's going on? Thank you for coming. We enjoy.
Oh, I always have a good time.
Yeah, this place is different than any other convention.
There's nothing like it.
You know.
Solomon, did I miss your intro?
Yeah, it was at 11.
I'm sorry.
I put it. I put it on YouTube live.
Oh, you did?
Yeah.
Oh, well, maybe I'll see it. Hi, Dina. How are you, darling? Are you guys leaving?
I don't know.
I think we should get going. So especially for Rummy.
I wanted to watch.
Tell the girl that Senator's named after him.
Yeah, his name's Albert Lewis. His middle name's Abraham Albert Lewis.
Oh, how nice. That's cool.
He's got a lot of grandpa names because my grandpa was Albert and his other grandpa's Lewis. So
How neat is that? Nice. I just love seeing you all. Thank you for your question. I'm good. I always need someone to set up my jokes.
yeah.
Well, you guys have safe travel. God bless.
So God bless you. We'll see you around.
Well, she picks good.
Yeah,
he's a great guy. Yeah. Goodness. $90 for
Cadillac music tonight. Yeah, this Friday night. This is this little phone call. Thanks for the day. Go take us coming out, please. Okay, girl. What's happening? Hey, you know what I'm doing down here? Taking a little preview of tonight's movie.
I like this one the best just because I feel like everyone here.
Thank you.
I'll be right back.
And so he said it all had been on his own.
And I got up. Yeah, I know. Oh, that works for
Everybody wants to make sure they get that thing.
Hello, how you doing?
Yeah, that's nice. It's nice having it right here. I brought lunch in there.
How you doing?
How you doing?
Well, that usually, we had the sculpture. I did, there was a. Yeah, we're watching it. He had the same reaction to me.
Last time I played it was.
Oh, yeah.
Nice to finally.
I can buy it. Three-dimensional. Oh, no.
What's going on? How are you enjoying?
Good, man.
Good to see you. How are you enjoying?
Sorry I missed your son's intro, but when I got in the elevator, this guy looked just like Rico Browning.
Oh yeah,
And
I know.
I was
that
tired.
guy.
I had to go upstairs and get things ready
Yeah.
to leave because we were gonna get out of here by 12. So
Yeah.
I gotta go up there and get my stuff. So I'm going up to my room now.
Oh, you got a room?
Yeah, these people got a room and they shared. They said you can stay with us, and so I
that's
slept
so
in
nice.
I had my own little bed. They got an extra bed for me.
Yeah.
And I slept like a baby. And
Oh.
I only got like 4.5 hours of sleep, but I feel great.
All right.
I mean,
So,
I woke up and I set my alarm and I feel fine.
Oh, good.
And the night before I only got like 5
You
hours.
drove here?
No, I take the train.
Oh, you take the train.
Amtrak,
That's right.
Amtrak.
Oh, so you can rest on the train.
Yeah, Amtrak.
Okay, yeah, because I get tired from the
I
drive.
slept almost the whole way.
Oh, that's good. We're thinking of taking Amtrak out west. I don't know. All right, well, it's good to see you.
Oh, yeah.
God bless you.
Yeah.
We'll see
And
you.
go Israel and crush Iran and crush Russia. Now that's why I met a guy from Ukraine.
Yeah.
From the Ukraine.
I was there once.
Oh yeah. Oh wow.
I've been in Ukraine once, yeah. I made a pilgrimage there.
What
I made a pilgrimage there.
Made a pilgrimage there?
Yeah, to different, like, graves of different saints that we that we venerate there, Jewish saints. Yeah.
Oh, wow. Well, I met these guys, a couple from Ukraine, in the train station down in Des Plaines, the metro station, and they said they were from. He said, "Oh wow." I said, "Oh yeah, we're for Ukraine." And then I said to the guy, I said, "Crush Russia." And he liked that. I went,
Yeah.
Because Putin, man, China, he wants
crazy.
all of Ukraine, and that's terrible.
Yeah. Well, the stupidest thing was, why did Bill Clinton make Ukraine give up their nukes? Ukraine had nukes, and Bill Clinton made in the 90s, when the Soviet Union fell, he made Ukraine give up all their nukes.
I didn't know that. You're
Yeah.
the first one. I might have heard it, but it went in one out the other. But
Yeah.
now
Oh,
I
we're
know.
matching. We got the same shirt.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I thought this looked better with the
Yeah, I
right in the
like
center.
it. Because I had the green one, and then my kids like did a bite out of it or something. So this one I like.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Well, nice talking
All right,
to you
Dave.
again.
We'll see you later.
The only reason I'm going is so I can get my stuff
Yeah, you
out
gotta
of the
get your
room.
stuff there. Yeah.
Yeah,
See you later.
otherwise I'd talk longer.
Oh, I know.
Yeah.
Hey, how's it going?
Things are good. You know, Monster Kids.
Oh, yeah.
Have you ever seen Zombies on Broadway?
I haven't seen
That's
that.
a movie.
Now,
I think I have it on DVD.
I'm going to
I
go
watched
watch
it
Island
once.
of Lost Souls.
Yeah, that one is.
Yeah.
That one they showed.
Charles Blasco, Joe
Yeah.
Parts and the South.
That one they showed yesterday, the silent film with Lon Chaney. Did you see that?
No, I
It's
saw
called The Penalty. That was pretty wild.
the one he was in, this weird woman. He wasn't
Yeah.
a monster or nothing. He was
Yeah.
in a suit and tie most of the time.
Yeah,
Yeah, Joe was my dad's name.
yeah.
He passed away about 11 years. I lost my mother 2 months.
Oh,
Gosh,
sorry.
I'm so sorry.
Well, but she hadn't walked in 5 years.
Oh,
I look. People say I look a lot like her, especially.
Yeah.
And she was 90, and the last 5 years she hadn't walked. She had dementia.
That's
And
tough. My
she
mom
did-
had it too.
She didn't even know it us the last few times I was in there to see her. She was ready to go, and we know she was.
Which is a good word.
She's in good. She didn't want a ventilator, and they had not got to that stage. She wasn't going to, and I don't know if I could lay in a bed 5 years.
Right, right.
She didn't. Up until she got that, she had a good quality of life.
Yeah.
And my dad's mother, she died at 97 in a nursing home. We never had to go to the hospital to see her. Now that's amazing. Never.
That is amazing.
She didn't get bad till Father Time started, which it does forever.
Yeah.
And she got to the nursing home, but she didn't look 97 when she died. And we had a lady, I go to church. She died at where I used to go. I go to a different one. And she was 109 when she died.
wow.
109.
Yeah.
And she made me and my dad, when he was still living, a chocolate pie at 103. She made it, not her daughter. Her mom would bring her to church for as long as she could. And finally she fell down, and that pretty well started to downhill. But heck, what do you expect?
Wow,
I
109.
tell you. Well, I just read the other day, the oldest person in the world died here right back, 116. Just a few days short of being 107.
Oh, really?
Wow.
Wow. Wow.
That's amazing. That
That
somebody
is
did.
amazing.
But my mother, she was a good mom. Her and mom and dad, we had good times.
Good. And I'm sorry to hear of your loss.
They had 4 of us, 3 boys and 1 girl.
Oh, yeah.
I tell
So
her,
where are you?
I'm number 2. I got an older brother, a younger brother, and a sister. Was not born until me and my older brother was already out of high school.
Oh, wow.
I tell everybody, mother and daddy had 4 kids, and only 2 of them got any looks, me and my sister.
There you go.
I tell everybody, I got hair. For some reason, I kept my hair. And my daddy was mostly bald. He had a little, and that's the way my brother's, and I got a head full of hair.
Nice.
And I'm glad, but I don't know, I guess,
Genes are funny.
yeah, they really are, you know.
No accounting for it.
And most of our family had a long history of long life, so that's I'm 71.
That's good.
So I'm hoping I got a few more trips up here for
For it.
I'm going to go as long as I can. I've got the diabetes, but I'm watching it pretty good.
Yeah.
You can, people. I was one of them when I first heard about that. I'm going to quit eating everything altogether. Moderation is the key.
Yeah. My grandpa made it to 93 with diabetes.
Yeah. Type 2, I bet you.
Yeah, like, because it was up because I had an aunt who passed away from it young, his daughter. And my grandma made it, I don't know, the late 70s, I guess. But my grandpa, I think he was 92, 93. But he would, like, it would come back and forth,
I hear more people with type 2 than type 1. I don't hardly ever hear it.
Yeah.
They say you get it when you're a lot younger.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think I'm going to watch a couple of movies and Island of Lost Souls at the 2 and go.
I would like to see Zombies on Broadway, but that's the late one. That's the last one.
That's the very last one I've
Yeah.
seen. I've never heard of it.
It's Bela Lugosi. It's a comedy, and it's like these guys. I don't remember who they were. They're trying to be Abbott and Costello, but they're not Abbott and Costello.
I'll still miss the Abbott and Costello used to come up
Yeah.
here. Boy, they were funny.
They were the best.
They were just about as good as the real.
Yeah, well,
I like talking to them. I got to be buddies with them, and Bill came the year after that.
yeah, I remember.
And he came, and he's doing good. And I asked somebody the other day that knows him, said he's still doing good.
Good.
Boy, they were
You
really.
didn't find another Costello.
Oh, it'd be hard. They had it down pat.
Yeah.
They had it down.
Because they used to do other shows. It was like this World War II weekend
Oh yeah,
that we were going to
By
go
Philly,
there.
right?
Yeah, we were going to go there, and that one weekend we couldn't make it, and then the next year Joe was gone already. So then that was they had someone
You the one
Frank
fishing to get
Sinatra.
your driver's license?
Yeah, next week.
Good. Got my dad talking.
Yeah.
Or in 2 weeks.
Not the next week, but the following one.
Yeah.
It'll get here. My dad taught me how to do that.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. No. It was a little bit back though, but.
This is the first time I feel like I could stay here for another 2 weeks. I don't want to leave.
I need to. I'm gonna jump into the dealer room real fast. Benny, it's always good.
I don't see you again. Good to see you.
Yeah, be safe.
See you, Benny. God bless you. Do well.
It's nice and cool here.
Yeah.
It's hot out there.
Hi, Terry. How you doing?
I'm hanging in there. How about you?
Pretty good. Keeping busy.
Good.
I don't want to leave. I want to stay at Monster Bash another 2 weeks or so.
My
Usually,
next week of work is so brutal. I can't even, I have Thursday, 16-hour day in the prison. Then Friday, short day at my work, but then we go to Long Island for Shabbos.
I got a new
Shabbos
synagogue job since February, yeah. But it's like a fight back and forth where we live. They're like, can you stay? And I was like, they pay me pretty good. I wouldn't go down to Long Island for nothing. They pay me pretty well for that. So I was like, I don't want to miss 2 weeks in a row.
Right.
You know.
Right. Then I don't even know if I'm gonna get sleep. Take the kids home and go straight to work for another 8 hours. But then I get and then Monday I work, but it's a normal day, and I get a few days off.
It's like my next con is.
That's what you said. Okay.
But I don't want to complain because it's like it's a mixed place,
Yeah.
I mean, yes, I want to sell this stuff, but I also, because it's a new con, I
You want to
know.
have Stock.
I like stock. I don't want.
Where is it?
It's in Nashville, just outside of Nashville.
Okay, so how far is that from y'all?
About 2 hours. It's not very
Okay.
far. This will be the farthest con I will do, and I don't do any information. You know, I'm gonna be 71 in August. But hey, you look great. Yeah, thank you.
Speaking of cons, I need you to fill out the paperwork for next June. I
Okay.
need your Marriott Bonvoy number. We gotta
All right.
decide if we want one or two.
Well, we can book 2 and see what happens.
This podcast was so much fun. Was it? Oh my gosh. I mean, they're always fun, but this one was like real good. Like he said, that's so good. And I was like, this is what I come live for.
I saw you wore the vest yesterday.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Oh,
so
thank you.
much.
No, listen, he loves it.
It always makes me.
Did you find a tie?
No, I think that got lost. I don't know.
It's around. It's probably in storage.
No, I think it got lost when we were like cleaning up the house or something.
Listen, whatever boosts her towards her goals. Thank you for letting her. Thanks for being a business partner to her because she.
You know, the thing is, to be very honest, I've grown through more people and seen the worst.
Yeah.
Because my statement is, I'm not making it people. It's got to look
good. Right, right.
Because that's my thing, that I look
Give her some prayers because she's got her driver's test, not next week, but the following week. And she failed the first one.
Well, so did Aaron. I think
everybody does. I didn't, but like I had a lot of restrictions, so.
I didn't, but I did it in Virginia, so.
Well, I did it there. Everybody was getting processed through and everything. But the way they.
Oh my gosh.
You got to take this class and then this class.
I was like 24 when I got my license, though. I didn't.
I was pregnant with Figgy. I said, you have to have a driver's license because I'm about to have this kid. But they have a lot, and New York is real strict. Yeah. So, like, she bumped the curb when she did her parallel parking, which.
We all do.
That's how you know that you're
bumping the curb and then you're bumping bumpers. That's just how we do it in the city, right?
Yeah.
In New York City, that's how you park. And done. She got failed. So.
The lady that did the test for Aaron, the road test, never shut up. She was, and the parents in Michigan have to ride the kids.
Right.
That didn't used to be the case. And he got nervous. And I said to her, I said, if you were in my car and I had the license, I would pass your test either. Because I said, you never shut up. Well, that could really happen in the car. Yeah, you could. You can't play it.
This is a driver's test, bro. There's already anxiety involved with it. So just send her some prayers because and I need this kid to drive real hard. I need this kid to drive. Sorry, everybody.
She's good at driving.
Well, she's very good. She's gotten us.
Because I told you last night, my friend was saying, this is such a beautiful thing, and I said, they have to figure it out. Their kids are just so
Solomon did a great job introducing
Oh
her.
yeah, he presented. He did all the research himself. He wrote it himself. He really. There was a 3D like
Comedy short
yeah,
they
like a
showed,
little horror comedy thing.
and he introduced it.
He did?
Yeah.
Aww.
He already knew about it. So when he saw that it was on, he's like, "Hey, I know that," and he knew all these facts about it. And so.
So I said to Ron, I said maybe Solomon could.
Hi, Eddie, sweetheart.
Hi.
Are you enjoying Bash?
Yeah.
All right.
How's it going? Having fun? Good.
So you said to Ron,
I asked if Solomon could introduce. They said, yeah, it's a great idea, and he did a beautiful
So
job.
he
I'm
knocked
very
it
proud
out
of
the
him.
park.
How old are you?
I'm 11.
He'll be 12 next month. So next year, this time, we'll get ready for bar mitzvah.
Yeah, we'll be about a month before. Yeah.
But
Either one's
I
fine.
was one, so Aaron had a confirmation as well.
Oh, okay.
But it was fun. Oh my God. And we were the only Jewish family.
No, I think it's just a snowblower.
Uh-huh.
So it was the one and only bar mitzvah.
So did everybody come, or was like, yeah?
And I mean, they had put up lots of extra chairs to accommodate, and everybody knew his Nancy, yes. And he played the baritone,
Oh, okay.
which is great for him.
Yeah, sure.
So the rabbi said, you know, during the bar mitzvah, if Aaron wants to play, he can play. And I can't remember which song he played, but it was great. It was so great.
I love that.
It was so much fun.
Does he still play?
Not so much now. He does the weight training
Yeah.
and all that stuff. He had a beautiful baritone that we had $5,000.
Yeah, they're expensive. Oh, because they probably knew what it was.
We found out about it. So we don't have any record of it. And he said, I actually know this is where it came from. And we talked about it. And I think that
That'll do it.
down trombone and baritone. You got the John Philip Sousa.
Oh, wow. That's so cool. Yeah, baritone players are few and far between.
They are.
Yeah.
I brought him to his green and I brought him out.
Oh, cool. Very cool. Fun, you know?
It's so hot, it's going to wall right in. It's just.
Oh, sorry. Nope. I know. Mommy's talking to Terry. I got a lot. I was thinking of this. I don't know. But I don't really watch DVDs. That's the thing. No. I'm starting to get tired.
That's not good. You need to drive.
What's our plan today?
I don't know.
Oh, okay, thank you.
Okay.
There's a lady in Hamilton that they bought posters.
Somebody else bought November of '97, he goes, we make movies, okay, somebody told us about it. Yeah, and Ford Springs gonna be there, Ron Chaney, that's the So I was on the poster, got pictures of the Ford and Ray Harryhausen, so, and I introduced a couple of the bands. And it's on my Monster Bash '98 video. That's on
And you had a film festival in Japan?
Oh yeah, they showed my movies at theaters in Japan, a few theaters. Well, it wasn't really my movie. It was this other guy's documentary about independent filmmakers that shoot on video. And so and this guy wanted me on his documentary. He knew about me, so he invited me down to Austin, Texas, and they showed 3 of my movies at the Alamo Drafthouse Cinema in Austin, Texas in 2012, which was right after I got my story. And then the next month in July, I told them, I said, I'm going to be at the Alamo Drafthouse Cinema. I said, so, come down to the Alamo Drafthouse Cinema. And then that's when we went back home.
Send it to me.
As long as we got it.
Yeah, I'm really gonna read it.
It's mine now.
But it's like a poster art.
Yeah, but like the other one.
Other times it's painted.
Yeah, the other page.
Yeah, it's gonna be the very end. Let me just see. Okay. That's my art. We're gonna see if there's ever. So I had this one, but I'm looking to see if anywhere is up. No. Let's If I ever can find, I know how to find your dad. If I can ever,
Right here.
I know, I didn't mean now. If I can ever find a picture of that, I'll show it to you.
Okay.
Yeah, it's weird that I don't know how I ended up with it, but I did a lot of weird stuff at one time. Saying I had the original art of the film box.
Oh, wow. They showed that last night at a theater about an hour from our house. But I asked them if it was going to be 3D. They said, no, we can't afford the projector for 3D.
Well, it's crazy. Well, that's still not a bad movie.
Oh, yeah. I'll be honest, I like Revenge of the Creature better than the original.
I like it better than, yeah.
Yeah, it's funny. It's like
I agree.
Clint Eastwood.
But what's interesting is they're showing this in a theater somewhere. And you go over there and talk to the daughter of the guy who was actually in it.
Yeah, well, we used to talk to Rico all the time. Yeah, he was
He came every single year.
almost every other
How old are
year.
you now?
17.
What in your world? Do you
Yeah.
go to college? No.
I don't mind if she wants to. She doesn't want to. So I went.
I wasn't good at. I'll be honest. I never.
What was weird was
Oh, just take it.
I went a different here in the
It's a gift. It's a gift. Put it away.
Thank you, sir.
It's not a. I was not. I could. I knew. I took in high school.
Yeah.
I started. By the time I was going to become a junior, I was like, nah, no science, no math. And I was going to college. I don't know, but you got to figure out.
I mean, the job that I have now in prison.
Right.
When I started my position, they said needed a master's degree or equivalent. So I argued that, and then the one just below me needed a bachelor's degree. And I guess Governor Shapiro, he's like, he was trying to make it easier to get government jobs, which is really nice, I think. I'm not a fan of everything he does, but he does a few things nice here, and that was one of the things. It's like he makes it easier to get the government jobs.
For Pennsylvania.
Pennsylvania, yeah.
Yeah, but it's like that's what his job should 100% be. Getting people in Pennsylvania working.
Yeah.
Like
So
getting people, it shouldn't be getting illegal aliens.
yeah. So then they changed the rules. Now my position just needs a bachelor's to start, and the position just under me doesn't need a bachelor's degree. And if you do that job for a year, you can have my job as a supervisor. So it's like,
Without a degree.
yeah. And I work for the Commonwealth, and it's
They just told my son, he works for the city of Burbank, that they sat him down and said, if you want to move up, you gotta get a degree.
funny. My mom, she had a job that she would have made less if she got it. You remember? If she would have gotten a degree, she would have made less. She told us. I don't know.
I might have been a baby when that happened.
I don't know. It's like she was teaching special ed. Well, she wasn't a teacher. She was a teacher's assistant. But I think it didn't make much sense to me when she told me that. That's what she said. So, yeah.
As a guy who never went to, I mean, I don't even understand how college works.
Yeah.
Our kids went to college. I don't know.
Yeah, I don't know. I went to college. I don't know. I got a free ride though. I got a pretty good SAT score. So, and the school I went to was just opening, so they wanted to like show up. Oh, we got somebody like
We got someone
with
smart.
a good
Got a
SAT.
brown noser.
Yeah.
Smarty kid. When I saw you last, did I have Lucky Louie for you to take with you?
Oh. Because mommy wants to get some
Tammy, excuse me.
For
Tammy.
the prison?
Yeah.
Did I give it to you?
I don't know.
Do you have a Lucky Louie for me?
All out. Someone wanted to buy one.
All right, we'll see you
Give her
again.
your address and I'll send you a Lucky Louie.
Well, my mother has a card that has all the names on it.
All right, you can watch it. I mean, you can see it. Yeah, it's fun. Lucky Louie, that's what I want.
Yeah, that's when you told me.
I think
about
it'll be
it,
good for. I think it'll be good for you to show in prisons.
Yeah.
I think it's
And you made that in Pennsylvania.
Yeah.
Yeah, you made that in Allentown, right?
in Bethlehem and Allentown.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's where we make everything there. When I'm away, they don't know how to put together the shop.
Yeah.
I just sell that if it's done.
Yeah.
Can I get a signature?
Yeah, whatever they want.
The picture with Harrison Ford.
Okay, would you stop trying to give me money? I don't want to.
No.
Give your mom the money.
About my coloring book?
What?
Did you tell him about my coloring book?
He knows.
Oh, did you tell Ron about the coloring book?
Yeah, I did.
All right, thank you, Andy.
Did Sal tell you about his coloring book?
Yes.
Yeah, it's
he's
on
publishing
Amazon.
the coloring book.
Yeah, it's on
Great,
Amazon.
great.
It just got Amazon. They make it easy to publish stuff, but they
Yeah.
also make it hard. So like we were working on it for weeks.
Yeah.
We finally got it.
Funniest comment so far. This older gentleman here wearing the life jacket
Oh, that's
in front of our table. Yeah. He goes, "All right, you kids, stop that arguing, or I'll turn this raft around."
That's great.
Isn't that funny?
Joe's a funny guy. Yeah.
Sharon gave me these are old colors. Like, see, the years are back. So
He
do you
put
want
it
to
on
keep them
Amazon.
and, something? Yeah. Or get somebody to give it to, or just she's not in any of them, or I'd have to sign them. She wanted to give it to us.
Put it in the file box.
Okay. And it was $30 for the Butch Patrick autograph, and then but he gave it. I gave him $30.
Yeah. Okay.
And he gave me one for free. But
Thank you so much.
I asked for, he said for her it was 30, so yeah.
You didn't have it personalized to her.
No, it just says Butch Patrick.
Yeah. Okay.
It just
Thank
came
you so
out
much.
yesterday, or was it Thursday? It just got.
Yeah.
Just went by. It's like they give us a hard time.
Put out that Rob Zombie.
Yeah.
Oh,
wow.
You know, but that's the genius of that. Didn't that get booked? Was it through Amazon? No way to do it.
So you don't have to buy 1,000 up front. And that's how it used to be done. You had to like invest in like a major, initial buy.
You have to put some stuff.
Right.
See, I'm dealing with that with the magazine. I've run out of room in our house.
Yeah.
Yeah, no, I don't even know how. I don't know how you. When someone writes you and goes, I do want that. Like when you put something up online, and you're like, I know exactly where that is. If they want to buy it, it's right here.
Yeah. Yeah, I know where everything is, but the room is like dwindling. Dan, you're right. You wanted to leave at 3. Is that correct?
350.
Okay, that's great.
On your right.
Okay, Mark's not going to do it then. Mark just said he
Well, Mark's gonna do it.
You can do it.
You guys have. You got his rock, paper, scissors.
Whoever will get
Mark
me
is taking Renee to the airport at like 1, and then he's going to turn around and get Dan. And I might say Mark will wear it there.
What I might say is, whoever's gonna get me there on time, without any worry, and I can.
It would be better if it was Bob, because Mark's going to.
Oh, I don't know slow. I'm from New York. I don't know slow. So, three. What did I say?
Are we leaving? What's up?
Hello. Thank you.
Thank
See
you so
later.
much.
God bless. See you. I don't know if we're leaving yet. I don't know, but. Hey, Robot gave like the kids everything for free.
Yeah. I think that's for tomorrow.
it off the plane, they put it in the right counter. You have the guy count all of your food. They wasn't there. Put something in there. He never got in there. He had the guy count before he made it. Yeah.
What's going on?
Yes,
I think I'll
sir.
take these two.
Okay. That's nuts, man.
Yeah, the stories are.
Yes.
They got 2 movies made.
Okay.
I kept eyeing those. I was like, I'll just take them. I'll get them. What? All right.
DVDs?
Yeah.
Did you sell any stuff?
I have 3 left. I brought 16.
Wow.
25. Rabbi Joe. Yeah, it was a good show.
That's good. Still, higher your prices.
No, not yet. I'll wait till I retire.
Well, that's what I did with the wedding business. Like I started off, I used to do weddings for like $75 in Virginia 20 years ago, and then now I'm up to like my average is 300. But then and then if someone's like it's too much, I'll work with them. You know, it depends if I have to travel. Sal did a great job.
Oh, it was great.
Yeah.
It was great.
No receipt.
Okay, it'll be on your statement. Yeah, he was
Yeah.
great. He was terrific.
Yeah. So we'll see you in August.
He was all like, okay, well, you're going to call me. You know, he wanted to make sure everything was in line.
But then he did great. He read it beautifully.
Said, I'll go up and I'll introduce
And
you.
he wrote that all by himself.
Yeah.
Nobody helped him at all. Yeah.
He's into it.
Yeah.
It's great.
and he touched on all kinds of different things there. Like when he was
That's
like,
amazing.
Yeah.
Yeah, he was terrific. Terrific.
So we're looking forward to his. I ordered some copies of his coloring book. It's funny how much, like Amazon, they were like, well, you gotta make sure it fits on the page. And then he was like, oh, he was ready to give up. So I'm happy because he does that a lot. He'll get started and have a great idea and then give up.
Frustrated at something.
Yeah, and I was like, I'm happy he made it through this to make him feel good. That
And then he'll want to do it again.
Yeah.
So, yeah.
Yeah, and I didn't realize when I was making that little horror host show, he popped up with a mole people mask behind me. I was watching through it. Yeah. That was cute. All right, we're definitely planning to be here in August in Ohio in August.
Really
Oh, great. Okay.
I guess because
Have you been there before?
Yeah, I think
Yeah.
I've been there 3 times now.
Oh, yeah. I know you were there when you did King Kong and stuff.
Yeah.
My
And
favorite
Bela
one was
Lugosi.
Bela Lugosi. That was the best one. It was the first one, but it was the best
Lugosi
one.
weekend. Yeah.
later than the sun.
Yeah, I'm trying to think
Those
how.
movies would be fun.
Yeah, that's.
But like the way you put them out, like the order you put them was perfect.
Yeah.
I loved it. So.
And I like that the Lost World with the live accompaniment. That was
Jay's great.
Yeah. And he's going to do
He's
that.
for Cat and Canary.
Canary. That's I think we should be able because there's a synagogue down the road. Yeah, and they serve lunch there and everything. They serve a nice lunch there. So I should be able to make it even for I think I can even do the afternoon service and still make it back at 2, starting at 3.
Yeah.
Yeah, so I can make it back. It's about it's 40 minutes, probably half-hour walk to the theater. So that's not bad. So we should be able to make it. That'll be fun.
We have to start going because people are
All
complaining
right,
about
everybody
food.
wants to go eat lunch. All right, Ron, we'll see
Thank you
God
so
bless
much.
you. The best.
Whenever it's